In St. Petersburg, Milton toppled this massive crane onto a building and ripped the roof off Tropicana Field, home of baseball's Tampa Bay Rays. Even before making landfall, the storm spawned more than 24 deadly and destructive tornadoes.
It was like watching the movie Twister. It came closer and it was spinning and the debris was flying everywhere.
Everything in our power to help you put pieces back together.
President Biden says the federal government is sending the resources needed to help impacted communities recover and rebuild.
Green Solutions is here to help you rebuild. Get impact windows and doors for zero money down, 100% financing and no payments for 18 months. Call us now to schedule your free estimate today.